How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to Lead Therapy, and thank you so very much for taking time for tuning into my video. This is for those that haven't heard yet that a federal judge Friday overturned California's 3-decade-old ban on assault weapons, ruling that it violates the constitutional right to bear arms. U.S. District Judge Roger Benitez of San Diego, and on a side note, Judge Benitez was born in Havana, Cuba. The judge ruled that the state's definition of illegal military-style rifles unlawfully deprives law-abiding Californians of weapons commonly allowed in most other states and by the U.S. Supreme Court. Under no level of heightened scrutiny can the law survive, Benitez said. He issued a permanent injunction against enforcement of the law, but stayed it for 30 days to give the state attorney general, Rob Bonta, time to appeal. And of course, Governor Gavin Newsom had to chime in, and he condemned the decision, calling it a direct threat to public safety and the lives of innocent Californians, period. In his 94-page ruling, the judge spoke favorably of modern weapons, said they were overwhelmingly used for legal reasons. Like the Swiss Army knife, the popular AR-15 rifle is a perfect combination of home defense weapon and home defense equipment, good for both home and battle, the judge said in his ruling's introduction. Also, Governor Newsom said in a statement, "We're not backing down from this fight, and we'll continue pushing for common-sense gun laws that will save lives." Attorney General Bonta called the ruling flawed and said it would be appealed. California first restricted assault weapons in 1989, with multiple updates to the law since then. In another wise statement from Judge Benitez, this case is not about extraordinary weapons lying at the outer limits of Second Amendment protection. The banned assault weapons are not bazookas, howitzers, or machine guns. Those arms are dangerous and solely useful for military purposes, his ruling said. Despite California's ban, there currently are estimated 185,569 assault weapons registered within the state, the judge said. This is an average case about average guns used in average ways for average purposes, the ruling said. One is to be forgiven if one is persuaded by the news media and others that the nation is awash with murderous AR-15 assault rifles. The facts, however, do not support this hyperbole, and facts matter. In California, murder by knife occurs 7 times more often than murder by rifle, he added. In a preliminary ruling in September, Benitez said California's complicated legal definition of assault weapons can ensnare otherwise law-abiding gun owners with criminal penalties that, among other things, can strip them of their Second Amendment right to own firearms. The burden on the core Second Amendment right, if any, is minimal, the state argued, because the weapons can still be used, just not with the modifications that turn them into assault rifles. The state of California is also appealing Benitez's 2017 ruling against the state's nearly 2-decade-old ban on the sale and purchases of magazines holding more than 10 rounds. And most of you will remember that decision triggered a week-long buying spree before the judge halted sales during the appeal. And also, the state is appealing Benitez's decision in April 2020, blocking a 2019 California law requiring background checks for anyone buying ammunition. So as you can see, Judge Benitez is a champion for the Second Amendment, and the gun-hating liberals in California don't like it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit those post notifications, and I will see you in the next video.